We cleared it, but this right here, this is where most people mess up. Last video, I told you all your garden is a reflection of you. This right here, this part, this ain't the fun part. This is the part that determines if anything is actually going to grow. What you leave empty will fill back up. See this? It's clean, but it's empty. And if you leave it like this, the weeds are coming right back. Oftentimes, bare soil invites weeds. Nothing planted equals something will take over. In life, it usually looks like empty routines, no structure after change. If you don't intentionally fill it, life will fill it for you. You can't just clear it, you have to build it. A lot of people think once it's clean, you're done. No, now you've got to build it. In the garden, that means soil prep, nutrients, structure. In life, that means new habits, new systems, new mindset. Clearing space means nothing if you don't put something better in its place.
Okay, almost done. All right, now I can dump this strategically. I want it to go in here in these little spots.
In the garden, we're talking dirt, compost, mulch, layering the bed. In life, discipline, quiet effort, behind the scenes work. Right here, this ain't the cute part. No flowers yet, no color, just work. Everybody wants to bloom, but this is where it's built.
Dump it right.
Small work still adds up. You still don't need a whole weekend. You just need to keep going. In the garden, one layer at a time, one bed at a time. In life, consistency, showing up again. Progress didn't stop when you cleaned it. This is where it continues. Some of y'all, you did the hard part. You cleaned things up, but then you stopped. And that's why we end up starting over every season. We're not just cleaning, we're building something that lasts. Today, I don't want you to just clean. I want you to build something. Add soil, fix your bed, lay your foundation. Just one step. Don't just clear it, build it right. Next video, we're planting. We're bringing the beauty back in. Woohoo! If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.